Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Wednesday the 3rd of August 2022. Hope everyone is doing well. Bitcoin and the like are doing a little bit better than they were doing at this point yesterday, when it was looking quite likely we could be seeing a move to the downside, and 50-day moving average in particular on Bitcoin around 21,377. Looming pretty close. What have we got on for the rest of today? Well, risk assets do seem to be bid for now. I've got the US session starting in just over an hour and a half. There's not too much on the calendar today, which should be market moving. Main thing on the agenda, and main thing that markets have been paying close attention to in recent hours and over the past 24 hours in particular, has been Nancy Pelosi's visit to Taiwan, the first US official to visit Taiwan in 25 years. China have reacted. They're not happy, but it seems markets were quite happy to see that she landed safely. So what will be the next thing? The next thing might be when she leaves, which is, I think, in a few hours' time from now. I believe it was the 2nd or the 3rd. We're on the 3rd today. I think it was the 3rd at 6 p.m. Taiwanese time, so I couldn't imagine that's too far away. So maybe eyes will be back on her plane again. Everyone was watching flight radar, tracking her plane, making sure it landed, because it was said that China had scrambled some jets up there into the Taiwanese airspace, and they're going to be doing some drills off around the island of Taiwan, some military drills, some missiles, some missile testing over the coming days as a reaction to Taiwan allowing Nancy Pelosi to visit. So that's basically been the main thing to be watching in markets. Like I said, risk assets have been bid off the back of that. Successful trip probably so far, but of course that could all turn around if we do see any more reaction from China today. So that's where we're at with Bitcoin. Ripple, we're currently at 0.3680. I've got nothing else to add here really, just starting to tick lower if anything. Litecoin heading back to retest 60. Watch 60 if you're looking for a reversal trade. We could take a nice little short off there. Tightish stop above the 60 handle. That has been playing out some nice resistance in recent times. Much like the opposite way around, so going long on Ethereum at around 1550, that level there coming in quite handy once again. Did suggest this in the brief yesterday. Nice bounce off there and trading 100 points high now. So I moved back into 1700, looking quite likely here for Ethereum. That's it from my end for today's brief. I'll see you all inside the chat room. Thanks for listening. Take care and bye for now.